After the cold and snowy past couple of weeks, local businesses are seeing the impacts from this month. Local 5's Dana Cyril spoke with a few small businesses and brings us what they are experiencing.
Well, Larissa, this time of the year can be generally pretty slow for some businesses, but a few local businesses say that the 2 snowstorms Iowa was hit with has really impacted their sales. Back-to-back Iowa snowstorms forced local businesses to close for a few days.
When we got to the first storm, which was probably about the 6th of January, we were doing okay up till that point, and then it just took a nosedive. It was hard for people to get out of their driveways, streets weren't getting plowed very quickly, and then that second storm hit, and it just got a lot worse at that point.
Your total is going to be $40.64.
And they had to find ways to keep customers engaged.
It's been hard, but we do the best we can. We did find out ways to engage online. We had just an online chat on Instagram Live just to keep the conversation going about books.
ZZZ Records is a local business that was coming off a busy holiday season and a business that values customer interaction. And despite being used to the slower winter months, this year the impacts showed.
I think that it was just magnified this year because we had 2 of them that were so big within a few days of each other. That's what really seemed to kill business. And then the following week after the storms, then we had the ridiculously low temperatures.
While Reading in Public wanted to keep their employees working as well as a place for customers to find a snow day activity, despite online efforts, the business relies on the in-person experience.
The whole premise of our business is to get books into people's hands, so it's just not the same. You know, you can scroll and scroll and scroll online to buy books, but you can't talk to booksellers. You can't smell the books, feel the pages. So sales have gone down, of course, because we don't have that experience.
Overall, the businesses have worked to stay open as much as possible, but the back-to-back snowstorms is something that impacted sales in the whole month of January. So it's important to support local, especially during the winter months. Larissa.